So you're thinking about moving to Bowling Green and you've already zeroed in on the South Warren area, but the prices are a little mind-boggling. Well, stay tuned to the end because I'm going to break down for you what homes you can get from brand new construction and how they're more energy efficient. And the bottom line isn't always the price of the house. Sometimes it's the savings. Hi there, so if this is your first time on the channel, my name's Melissa, and my team and I, we get calls and emails every single day from people just like you looking to make their move to Kentucky, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. We would love the opportunity to meet you on Zoom and help you make a smooth move to Kentucky. So today we're in South Park Commons. This is the newest new construction neighborhood here by Jago, and it's in the South Warren School District. You have close proximity to Michael Buchanan Park, Cheney's Dairy Barn, RPM Market, as well as South Warren High School. And we're going to take a look at this model. This one's 2,500 and about 44 square feet. It's set up currently as a 3-bed, but it could be up to 5-bedroom floor plan. And I really like this neighborhood because they've got sidewalks, street lights, but they also have some community amenity features that we don't see in a lot of neighborhoods, like a community swimming pool. And they've got a tennis court and basketball courts, lots of things to do here, and a really active community. And there are 31 floor plans to choose from. So if this one doesn't fit the bill, well, more than likely they've got something that will work for you. So before we step inside, a couple of the features that I want to point out. This particular model has the 3-car garage. It's currently set up as their sales center, so they have offices in there. They also have a lot of different elevation plans for this one. This is the Patriot Modern. So if you're wanting to look through, you can actually go online and customize the floor plan for how you want it. There's, like I said, lots of elevation options, so you can pick the stone or the brick color as well as the siding color. And this particular siding is a different kind of product. It's not really hardy board, but it's actually more fire resistant than brick. So if you have this particular Jago kind of construction, you can see significant savings on your home insurance. That's one of the first places that you're looking to save. Home insurance here has been quoted as much as half of what it is on other homes. And mostly it has to do with the kind of building quality and the features that they're using because it is so fire resistant. Also, they did under eave lights in this particular model. That is an upgrade. But people who own these homes from Jago have reported as much as a 68% energy efficiency decrease in their bills from existing homes and as much as 38% or so from other new construction models. So let's walk through and take a closer look at this home. Stepping inside, I really love this foyer, and you'll notice right away there are 9-foot ceilings throughout the home on the first floor. That's totally standard in a Jago home. Let's step inside right here. And this room is your optional 5th bedroom. So you can either use this as a 5th bedroom or like they have it set up right now, it is set up as a study or a home office. I really love a study or home office that's in the front of the home because you can look out the window and see what exactly is going on. But you could also use this as your 5th bedroom, and it has a double closet, really nice size. It actually goes back a little further. If you didn't want this to be a closet, there are other options that you can use with this. This can actually be completely opened up, and it's less money, and you can have it totally open into the family room. So this could be like a great room or a sitting area or a study area, but I really like it as a home office. They also have it set up with the double doors here with the glass insert, a really nice touch because you can kind of shut the doors and keep the office really quiet and not hear the kiddos running around so much. Let's walk through the rest of the home. So stepping into the home, right here you have an under the stairs closet system where you can store brooms, mops, coats, all that fun stuff. And then through here, this is an option. This is going to be your first floor bathroom. It is a full bathroom the way that they have it set up. I think in the standard plan, this is probably a half bath and would be potentially on the other side of the home. But if you wanted to have a full bath, it's nice to know that that's an option for family coming to visit. And stepping inside to the living room, I absolutely love the way they have this set up. Now the fireplace would be an optional feature. One of the nicer things that Jago does is every home comes standard with gas. So if you wanted to have a gas fireplace, that's what you would have. It is direct vented to the exterior of the property, and it could optionally be on this wall too. In fact, that's one of the upgrade options, is to have the fireplace and some additional window options. but I love the way that they actually have it situated on this wall. And if you notice, when you walk in the home, you don't see the kitchen. I don't want everybody looking in the front door and seeing my mess. So I like having the kitchen on the side. It's tucked in here. Let's walk through and take a look at that. So walking in here, Jago has done a beautiful job with this kitchen. It is an upgrade to not have your sink in the island, which I love because I like all this counter space. You can have breakfast here, kids set up at benches. You can do your holiday wrapping right here. You've got a ton of room. And when you're entertaining, this is the space everybody's gonna be flowing and chatting around. And then over here, they've done the optional sink under the window, which is my personal preference. I don't know about you, leave it in the comments if you like it the other way, but I love the details in this fixture, the additional pendant lighting, and you'll see right here, this is the smart home system. Jago actually has a 5-point touch smart home system that they put in all their homes, and it includes cameras, a ring style doorbell, and one of these control systems that you can control your HVAC with, and you'll also have a tech that comes and sets it up on your phone so that you can control everything from your phone. I absolutely love the appliances. These are upgrades. Instead of doing the cabinet package with the microwave above the hood or the range, they did an actual hood, and this one does directly vent outside the home. They also, I think that's really cute that they did the art over here. I don't know if I would do that in my home. It might be like getting smoky, but I guess the hood vent definitely helps with that. And then you have a gas range here too, because all the homes in Jago are gas. Now this is an upgraded appliance package. It is the satin finish that doesn't show the fingerprints, which is amazing. Step with me, I'm gonna show you another upgrade. So this is optional with the floor plan. This would be my coffee bar station for sure. If you didn't have it like this would be where your pantry area is, but I love this because as you're coming in through the garage, which would be right through here, they have it set up as a 3-car garage. You could drop your groceries, drop your keys and backpacks and things right here near your coffee station, and then pivot over to this beautiful walk-in pantry where you can just put everything away. I love everything having a place to go in a home. I really like the open floor plan of this home. Even though it's not directly all the way open on the first floor, which you could have as an option, you've got these beautiful wide plank LV floors, and you have this nice open concept dining room right here in the middle, in between your living area and your kitchen. It gives you a little division of space, but it's just a really great concept and layout. And again, there's a lot of customization that Jago will do to these homes. We're going to talk a little bit more upstairs about those customizations, so stay tuned to the end. And if you're ready to start your home search, definitely hit that subscribe and like notification so that you'll be the first to learn of new videos. Let's step outside and see this covered porch. So this is going to be an optional upgrade to have this covered back porch area. You could have this done aftermarket, but I generally am going to recommend that any alterations that you do or alternative building designs you do to this structure itself probably be done while you're building and customizing the home, because it's never cheaper than when the home is already being worked on. Another really great feature that Jago offers is this really nice extended covered back porch area. So you got the covered area, this is the uncovered area, and this would be another feature that you can have an upgrade on, is to extend your back patio area. They get their concrete at an amazing rate, so now would be the time to do it while you're doing your customizations. Let's head up and check out that second floor. So now that we're upstairs, I want to show you an optional upgrade. Now you can have this home be a 4 or even the 5th bedroom that we talked about. And if you wanted it to be 4 bedrooms, this would be the area where the 4th bedroom is. But one of the upgrades they did to this home is that they opened up this space so that you have this really large lofted bonus room, which is a great touch. You still have the closet that would be included in the 4th bedroom right here. So it's a nice deep step-in closet, lots of room and shelves to be able to do all your extra storage stuff if you wanted to put holiday items away. Let's go check out the kids' rooms. So here is the first of the other bedrooms. I really love this one. You can tell it's big enough that you can set up double beds, or you could have bunk beds in here, and you have a really nice sized closet. Again, another step in, plenty of room for storage. Right here would be your mechanicals. Now, one of the things Jago offers is a lot of efficiency and upgrades. They talk about their homes being more energy efficient than your standard construction, and even most of the new construction homes, you're gonna have much thicker air filters, where some air filters are, really thin. They use a much thicker one. If you have allergies or anything like that, you're probably gonna wanna check that out because they say their homes are more energy efficient and also more allergy friendly. This is the laundry room. They do have an option upstairs to have a transom window up here, which I really like the idea of. I wish we could see that in this home, but they didn't do it in this particular feature. They did do a nice tile floor, and you have the washer and dryer up here because most of the bedrooms are gonna be upstairs, so that means you don't have to carry the laundry up and downstairs. Through here, we have another full bathroom, and then you step into the last of the secondary bedrooms. Again, a really nice size and a large closet, plenty of room for the kids to be able to share or have their own private room. All right, you stay tuned to the end. Are you ready to see my favorite part? Let's go check it out. This is the primary suite. It feels like its own wing of the home, even though it's upstairs. Let's check out the bathroom first. I love the double vanity here. And then you've got this really nice shower tiled all the way up. There's a little niche here, some river rock, and then you have your tub, a nice soaking tub where you can relax. This configuration is an upgrade. There are some variations that can be done to the plan if that's something that you want. No water closet with the way that they've got the layout, but you have your toilet right here and then nice sized step in or walk-in closet. Coming around the corner, oh my gosh, would you look at this primary suite? I think I would just hang out right here. I mean, this is amazing. Look at it, it's like its own living room right here. So you have the downstairs living area, you have the upstairs lofted bonus room, which they did double wide. But can you imagine just hanging out right here at the end of the day? I would have my TV going over there, some Hallmark movies, the bed's here. This is mom's hangout. This is mom's bonus room right here. So let's chat a little bit about some of the upgrades and the features that you can look for with a Jago home. So why would you want to work with a buyer's agent versus the sales rep? Well, this is a really important thing that I wanted to just sit down and chat with you about because the builder's rep always works for the builder. And you want to have your own representation, even when you're doing new construction homes, so that you have somebody that can walk you through incentives, how to tighten up your contract, make sure you're protected all the way from the start to the finish. From selecting the finishes and walking the neighborhood, we're there with you all the way to the closing table and beyond. Now, one of the things I really love about Jago is that they've got this 210 warranty. And what that covers is the first year covers all your workmanship. It's a door-to-door warranty. Then the second year is also going to cover that plus your electrical, your plumbing, and your HVAC systems. And then you have a 10-year warranty on the structure itself, which is amazing warranty, even for new construction standards. And then we have the April Air filters within the home that make it really airtight. So one of the things you might not know about a home like this is because it's so airtight, there's actual special settings that you can turn on in the spring and fall to increase some of the airflow, make sure that the air in the home is circulating through. If you think Jago might be a home for you or the builder for you, reach out to my team and I. We would love to help you not only walk through the 31 floor plans available in this neighborhood, but additionally there are other neighborhoods because they cover both Kentucky and Indiana, and we can help you make the perfect move right here to Kentucky.